everyone, I'm your English 9 teacher, Teacher Erilyn. Today's topic is the direct and indirect speech. Last lesson, you've learned identifying and differentiating factual and subjective information, which is an important skill you must have in extracting information before we relay them. How would you like to report a speech that you've heard, seen, or read? Discourses can be reported in two ways. Direct speech, when actual words of the speaker are quoted. For example, Linda said, "Be good. You're both good boys. Just act away. That's all." Or Aya asked, "Are you afraid of the dark?" Take note of the quotation marks that signify the direct speech. Indirect speech, when speaker's dialogue is reported without quoting his exact words. This time, no quotation marks are observed. Like, Willie said he's busy, don't bother him. Or when you say, "My mother told me to study hard." Reporting a discourse can be either ways, but it's also important to note changing direct speech to indirect or indirect speech to direct one to avoid confusion and in conveying the exact meaning or message of the speaker. For example, direct speech to indirect. She said, "I like your floral gown." Reported to, she said that she likes her floral gown. Indirect speech to direct. Jane said she saw the play with Pearl yesterday. Reported to, "I saw the play with Pearl yesterday," Jane said. Let's have a try. Identify if the discourse is direct or indirect speech. Number 1. President Obama said there were no winners in this government shutdown. That's right, direct speech. Number 2. We need to grow the economy, create good jobs, strengthen the middle class, and get our fiscal house ready, he emphasized. Very good. Direct speech. Number 3. Obama said it would not be easy. Correct. Indirect speech. Number 4. He said he won't suddenly agree on everything now that the cloud of crisis has passed. Excellent. That's indirect speech. Let's have another try. Read the following statements. If it's a direct speech, change it to indirect. And if it's indirect, change it to direct speech. Number 1. Nia said, "I want to watch the play." Your answer is right. Number 2. Lance said, "I am going with you." Excellent. Number 3. Nico said he and his mommy will watch the play in the Resorts World. Nice job! Number 4. Grandmother asked what we should learn from the play. Perfect! Always remember, discourses can be reported in two ways. Direct speech and indirect speech. Direct speech, when actual words of the speaker are quoted. Indirect speech, when speaker's dialogue is reported without quoting his exact words. You did a great job today. Please don't forget to do your assessment and assignment on your LAS. I hope you enjoyed learning. Stay safe and healthy, everyone. Thank you and have a good day.